How to change Facebook username. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change the username on your Facebook account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to scroll below and go to settings and privacy. After you click on it, click on settings and then you are supposed to go to account center. Click on it and then click on profiles. There, if you have connected your Instagram account to your Facebook, you will see two options. But you need to click on your Facebook option and then you will see the option of username. Click on it and you will see your current username appear on the screen. Once you click on it, you will see the option to change it. Type the new username which you want to replace with the older one and then done. That is how easily you can change username on Facebook. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.